Hey guys, welcome back to RK Garage. We are at Perth Motorplex, so we'll see what we can do tonight on EcoJet. I got the handbrake rigged up so it falls automatically, so yeah, hopefully we get something decent out of it. There's not many cars down here yet, so we'll see how we go.
The XH utility aboard.
Alright, gonna line up for the first run. I think the launch RPM's 3,500 for this one. We'll see. Can't remember. We'll go 4,500. Give it a bit more. See what we can do with the handbrakes. See if we can actually get some decent launch out of it. We've got both cameras going. We'll go back, we'll check the log, see what the boost did, see if I need to add some more duty cycle at the top end to make it hold flat at 26, because that will hurt my ET a lot. I've also put the nullifying diff bush in the rear, so hopefully that horrible bounce goes away, we'll see. going with not much idle, so not much launch RPM. I'll just try take off normally and see what we can do with that. Mile per hour, really shit time. Sounded like it was misfiring a little bit, but oh Alright, so it's the next day, filming, explaining some stuff just to fill up some time. The turbo ended up being the core completely done. I'll whack in a couple photos here of when I took the compressor wheel off. Compressor wheel was locking up against the backing plate. I undid the front nut, put the wheel on by hand, just literally finger tight only just, and then as I just turned the blade, it would just seize up against it. It was dead stiff, so I rang the turbo guy, took some photos, sent it to him, and he's like, yeah, there's a good chance it needs some messing around with, or a new core, not a new core, new bearings. He told me how to do it, but he's like, just send it back to me and I'll do it for you. So that's awesome, he's doing that. So I've got all that off. Compressor cover is still here. While that was off, I painted the rear housing in the header spray, the ceramic header spray, so it'll look a bit better. Yeah, so another not quite a successful run, but when it blew, it was on a good pass. As soon as I hit fourth gears, you saw in the video, it literally just cut all power, had no boost, and I basically rolled across the line, and the ET, so the time I got down the strip, it matched my personal best I've ever got in the car. So that was rolling over the line too, so it was definitely going to be a good PB. Obviously I still did terrible getting off the line, it was a little bit better. A few things I need to try, but I was kind of just getting into it. Like, it was really early in the night, it was only the first hour, within the first hour of racing when it happened, I think. So I still had 2 hours left to get it all dialed in. There was bugger all cars there, so there was just heaps and heaps of laps that could be done. So it sucks, but yeah, so this is where we are with that. We're gonna get that back. I doubt it will be back in time for Wednesday next week for me to race that. So if I go to the drags, I might take the VE down there. She hasn't been driven in a while. I probably need to find some 18-inch tyres for the stockies at the back. I've got a big pile here. I might have a pair somewhere. Yeah, I might have a pair that I'll be able to get to work. We'll see. I'll jump on Marketplace and try to get that sorted. But yeah, so next week will probably be the VE. I would race the Ford, but that being the daily and standard oil pump gears, I don't want to risk breaking that, because oil pump gears is very costly for VE brakes, and it can just be parked up like it always is for a while until I find the part to fix whatever is broken. So yeah, next drag racing thing will probably be the VE. It's obviously not as fast as this, although I've got better times in that than this. But anyway, as per usual, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for commenting, and I will see you guys on the next video.